Howdy, folks. Schwa here today. I've got some Leaf draft from 2021 and some 2021 Leaf signature football. These are some interesting packs. I've opened up one of these before. Got some interesting cards. I don't exactly remember who the autographs were, but I remember really liking this. And I think for the value, it's pretty good. Who knows? So I got 2 boxes of the draft, and I have 2 boxes of the signature football. I haven't opened up one of these before, so that should be fun. It'll be interesting. It includes a Hall of Famer. That will be interesting to see who that is. So this one has 4 autographs in it. I think it's just 4 cards. Little pricey for how much I paid. And then this one comes with at least like 50 cards and 3 autographs. So let's get to opening. All right. Let's get these open. How's your day going? All right. Let's hope we get a Trevor Lawrence in here. Let's see what kind of sick rookies are here. All right. Yeah. Kind of remember. Oh. Oh, yeah. It wanted me to open it on this side. So. All right. So. All right. Who do we have? We got. Oh! A Zach Wilson autograph. Ooh. The MILF fucker himself. Hide your wives. Hide your grandmas. Zach Wilson's here. All right. Who else did we get? So we got Zach Wilson. And we've got Kenny Yeboah. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Cool. I don't really know who he is. Ooh, Jonathan Cooper. He was all right. Fun. Amazing. Zach Wilson. Man. All right. Those are certainly some autographs right there. Definitely better than the last box I opened up. All right, let's see. Who do we got here? Okay, so this is the 50 card draft set. I wonder if this just has all the same cards that I had before. I wonder if these just boxes have the same cards. So yeah, we got Trevor Lawrence, number 1. Justin Fields. And number 2, the Zach Wilson. Yeah, so really, the reason why you would want to buy another box is for the autographs. Because after you buy 1 box of these, you get all of these guys. Yeah, I mean, like, here's Mac Jones, Ian Book, Kellen Mond. The new Colts quarterback, Sam Ehlinger. Shane Buechele, Jamie Newman, yeah. Oh, there's Najee, Travis Etienne, Trey Sermon, Chuba Hubbard, Kylan Hill. He's all right. He hasn't really done too much for the pack. Asim Rose, I don't know who that is. Chris Evans, Captain America. Javion Hawkins. Kenneth Gainwell, Kim Boyd, Michael Carter. Ooh, Kyle Pitts. Don't gamble. Or wait, no, that's the other guy. Oh, whoops. Tyler Vaughns. Ooh, Devontae Smith. Ooh, Amon-Ra St. Brown. Jalen Waddle. Nico Collins. Sage Barat. Ooh, there's Jamar. There's Amari Rogers. Rashad Bateman. Terrace Marshall Jr. Marquez Stevens. Kadarius Toney. Just got traded to the Chiefs. That is way too good of a place to send him there. Stupid Giants. Patrick Surtain, yeah. Yeah, and these are all the same. Yeah, Trevor. Fun. So, yeah, we got these. I bought this set because I bought these boxes mainly, yeah, for the autographs. But having these rookies should be pretty cool too. I don't know if I'll actually put these in the rookie book, but I don't know, maybe. I'll put the Zach Wilson and the other two in there for sure. All right. Let's check out the next box. And then I won't even open up this for this one because I know it's just the same cards. So, who are we getting this time? All right. All right. Josh Johnson. Fake name. All right, Josh Johnson, Ronnie Perkins, and Cameron McGrawn. I don't know who any of these. Although I remember Josh Johnson, but I don't know who any of these guys are. Ronnie Perkins. Well, I mean, maybe these guys will be somebody someday. So they're just in their sophomore season right now. So not everybody's a winner. Not every box is a big hit. Not every box is going to have the MILF Hunter himself. I can't believe I got this one. All right. Let's check out the signature football cards from 2021. So I'm guessing there's not going to be any rookies in here at all. I'm guessing these are just random active guys. So I guess we'll see, and a Hall of Famer. So 3 active guys maybe, and somebody who's not. Shit. I feel bad about tearing that. Let's see if I have a knife. Yeah, I got something. All right, there we go. All right, who do we got? Ooh, very nice. Very nice placement. So yeah, it's just, ooh, we got a Chuba Hubbard. Ooh. Sick. Chuba Hubbard's pretty good. And we got a Dave Robinson. Is that a Packer? Cool. And we got a Joshua Palmer. Oh, there are rookies in this. Oh, that was a rookie. Oh, Chuba Hubbard. Oh. I didn't even realize. Wow, okay. That's sick. Oh, these are all 3 of these guys are rookies. Trey Nixon. Sick. That's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that. So I got 3 more rookie autographs. That Chuba Hubbard one is really nice. Look at that green border. Pretty sick. All right, just one more box. Boom. Here we go. What do I got in here? What do I got? What do I got? Ah, man. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, here we go. Who is it? We got Jamie Newman. I think he's on the Saints. I mean, he could be somebody someday. I don't know. He wasn't really that sought after in his draft class, so I don't know. Maybe he could be like a Geno and blossom a decade later. All right, so who's the Hall of Famer? And we got a Bob Lilly. I don't know who you were. All right, who do we got? Who do we got? We got a Michael Strachan. Strachan? I don't know. And Isaiah McCoy. All right. All right. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I didn't realize these boxes had rookies in them too. I just thought they were just active players, so that's cool. Put there we go. Let's put those two together. And there's everybody. Yeah, bunch of sick autographs. Nice to add to the collection. Favorite one, obviously, the MILF Hunter. All right, remember to always support your local card shops. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Check out my next video. Thank you.